Every vehicle on the road depends on one tiny yet mighty component, so small you could hold it between two fingers, yet powerful enough to bring an entire engine to life: the spark plug. It might look simple or insignificant, but without this little hero, your engine wouldn't fire, your vehicle wouldn't move an inch, and every drive you take would be impossible. Spark plugs are the hidden champions of performance, fuel efficiency, and smooth acceleration. They create the electrifying burst that ignites the fuel-air mixture, turning raw energy into the roaring power that pushes your car or truck down the road. In short, this tiny part plays a massive role. And today, we're diving into why it matters more than you think: the spark plug's vital role in your engine. The spark plug's primary role is deceptively simple: to ignite the air-fuel mixture inside the engine's combustion chamber. Each spark triggers a controlled explosion, forcing the piston downward and generating the power that moves your vehicle. This tiny ignition event happens thousands of times per minute, millions of times over the life of an engine. Despite its small size, a spark plug operates under extreme conditions. The combustion chamber can reach temperatures up to 900 degrees Celsius, 1,650 degrees Fahrenheit, and pressures exceeding 1,000 pounds per square inch. These intense conditions demand that the spark plug deliver a consistent, high-voltage spark every time, or the engine suffers from misfires, rough idling, poor fuel economy, and even potential long-term damage. In essence, the spark plug is the heart of your engine's ignition system. Without it, your vehicle's performance would be compromised, fuel efficiency would drop, and engine reliability would decrease. But not all spark plugs are created equal. Choosing the right type is essential to ensure optimal engine function. How spark plugs work. A spark plug is composed of several key components: the central electrode, the ground electrode, a ceramic insulator, and a metal shell. These components work together to create a controlled spark in the combustion chamber. Electricity flows from the ignition coil into the spark plug's central electrode. The electrical current jumps the small gap between the central and ground electrodes, producing a spark that ignites the air-fuel mixture. The resulting combustion pushes the piston downward, generating mechanical power. The size and material of the electrodes, the gap between them, and the spark plug's ability to withstand high temperatures all influence ignition efficiency. A weak or inconsistent spark can lead to incomplete combustion, lower power output, increased emissions, and higher fuel consumption. Types of spark plugs and their functions. Spark plugs are primarily categorized based on the materials used in their electrodes. These materials determine how well the plug performs, how long it lasts, and how suitable it is for different engine types and driving conditions. Copper spark plugs are the most traditional type and have been used in vehicles for decades. They feature a solid copper core with a nickel alloy tip. Copper is an excellent conductor of electricity, which allows these plugs to deliver a strong and consistent spark. Copper spark plugs provide excellent electrical conductivity, producing a strong spark to ignite the air-fuel mixture. They are ideal for engines that do not require advanced spark technology, such as older vehicles or those with standard ignition systems. The advantages of copper plugs include strong ignition performance, excellent combustion in standard engines, and affordability. However, they have a short lifespan, typically 20,000 to 40,000 miles, and wear quickly under high heat or high-performance conditions. Copper plugs are best suited for older vehicles and budget-conscious drivers. They are not recommended for modern engines, turbocharged vehicles, or performance-focused setups because they may fail under extreme conditions. Copper plugs are often preferred in racing environments where maximum spark strength is needed, even if they must be replaced more frequently. They also handle rich running engines better because their strong spark helps burn excess fuel more efficiently. Many mechanics still rely on copper plugs for diagnostic testing, as their predictable performance makes engine behavior easier to read. Platinum spark plugs revolutionize the automotive world by offering greater durability. These plugs feature a platinum tip on the central electrode, which is harder than copper and has a much higher melting point. Platinum resists wear and maintains spark efficiency over longer periods. Platinum plugs maintain electrode integrity over extended use, providing reliable sparks that ensure proper combustion and engine performance. They are especially suitable for engines designed for longer maintenance intervals. The advantages of platinum plugs include a long lifespan of 60,000 to 100,000 miles, excellent durability for modern engines, and the ability to prevent premature wear while maintaining spark efficiency. They are slightly more expensive than copper, and the performance improvements over copper are modest. Platinum plugs are ideal for modern vehicles with standard engines, particularly those designed to run for longer intervals between maintenance. They provide a balance of performance, durability, and cost. Platinum plugs also help reduce carbon buildup on the electrode, keeping the ignition system cleaner over time. Their stable heat characteristics make them more resistant to fouling during frequent short trips or stop-and-go driving. Many manufacturers choose platinum plugs as OEM equipment because they deliver dependable performance with minimal maintenance. Double platinum spark plugs feature platinum on both the center and ground electrodes. They are specifically designed for engines with waste spark ignition systems where two plugs fire simultaneously in opposite directions. Double platinum plugs ensure even wear on both electrodes, maintaining consistent spark performance over time and extending the plug's lifespan. They offer long-lasting durability and reduce uneven electrode erosion, common in waste spark systems. These plugs are more expensive than single platinum plugs and are usually unnecessary for engines without waste spark systems. Double platinum plugs are best for modern vehicles with dual firing systems, ensuring consistent ignition performance over extended mileage. Their dual-plated design delivers a more stable spark at high RPMs, making them ideal for vehicles that frequently run at highway speeds. Double platinum plugs also help improve fuel efficiency in engines that rely heavily on precise ignition timing. Thanks to their enhanced durability, they maintain optimal performance even as ignition coils age or weaken over time. Iridium spark plugs are the most advanced type, using a rare, extremely hard metal with a melting point of 2,450 degrees Celsius, 4,442 degrees Fahrenheit. Their fine electrode tips require less voltage to generate a spark, improving ignition efficiency and engine performance. Iridium plugs produce highly efficient sparks with minimal voltage, improving fuel combustion, reducing misfires, and enhancing throttle response. They offer a very long lifespan of 100,000 miles or more and are ideal for high performance in turbocharged engines. The main disadvantage is their higher upfront cost, and the benefits may be marginal for older or low-performance engines. Iridium plugs are recommended for high-performance vehicles, turbocharged engines, or luxury cars, and for drivers who want long-term reliability with minimal maintenance. Iridium plugs often feature laser-welded tips that ensure extreme precision and consistent spark delivery. They excel in extreme temperature conditions, maintaining performance even under heavy loads or high engine heat. Because of their fine tip, they reduce the chance of incomplete combustion, helping lower emissions and improve fuel economy. Many luxury and sports car manufacturers install Iridium plugs as original equipment to maximize performance and reliability. Their long service life also means fewer replacements, making them a cost-effective choice for drivers who prefer minimal maintenance over time. Choosing the right spark plug. The ultimate choice of spark plug depends on the engine type, vehicle age, driving conditions, and desired performance. Copper plugs are suitable for older vehicles and budget replacements. Platinum plugs are excellent for modern engines with standard performance requirements. Double platinum plugs are ideal for engines with waste spark systems. Iridium plugs are the best choice for high performance, turbocharged, or luxury vehicles where longevity, smooth operation, and fuel efficiency are priorities. Every engine has a heartbeat, and the spark plug is its lifeblood. Copper, platinum, double platinum, or iridium. The key is understanding your engine and driving needs. Choosing wisely, maintaining them properly, and installing them correctly ensures that every spark counts toward a healthier, more efficient, and longer-lasting engine. From the quiet start of a morning drive to the roar of high-performance engines on the highway, spark plugs play a vital, often overlooked role in keeping vehicles running smoothly. By selecting the right spark plug, drivers not only enhance performance and fuel efficiency, but also contribute to the longevity and reliability of their engines. In the end, it's a small component, with a massive impact, proving that in automotive engineering, even the tiniest details make all the difference. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more automotive tips and insights.